Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to replace your battery on a vintage Swatch watch. This will also work on new Swatch watches as well. Here we have a vintage Swatch Irony. Here on the back we have the back case for the watch battery, so a small protection that covers the watch back and protects the battery and other parts from the watch. Now you can get a coin just like this one. It will work with various coins and you simply have to flip the watch. I will reverse the watch strap so that you can see better. Usually Swatch watches come on rubber straps, so you can easily flip them backwards and have access to this metallic lid. Now you can see that we already have two arrows here on the watch back that show us the direction in which we should rotate so that we can unscrew the watch back. So I will place the coin and simply rotate it to the left, so counterclockwise, and as you can see we can easily pick the lid out. I would recommend buying a small pair of tweezers in order to maneuver these small pieces from a watch. And here we have the watch battery. You can simply take it out, and when you want to order a new one, here you will be able to see a number. So this one is LR936. You'll be able to go online and type in that number and easily find a replacement for your battery. Also, on some watches, just as this one, you'll be able to find some information about the battery here on the back as well. There are some on which you will be able to see 377, the watch number for the battery, and so on. We also recommend to check the watch manual or to browse online in order to find the right battery for your watch in case the watch did not have a battery already. Now you can simply take the battery and place it inside the watch once again. Then you can simply put the watch back over the watch, and with the coin, or you can also use a screwdriver, a more thicker one that can be placed inside this lid, and then press and rotate, this time to the right, so clockwise. So this is how you replace the battery on your Swatch watch. You can also do this on smaller versions such as this Swatch Lady. As you can see, it has the same type of watch back. So this tutorial will work for all Swatch watches that are powered by a quartz movement, so that work with a battery. If you want to see more tutorials about watches, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, leave a comment below and tell us what you think, what you would like to see next. Also, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, as we have thousands of vintage watches for sale ready to go. Thank you guys, and see you next time.